my beautiful people, I'm here back again and today I'm gonna be talking about lip care in winter season. How you can care your lips in winter season. Now in winter season we are facing some lip problems like cracked lips and discoloration on lips, especially cracked lips. Cracked lips can be very painful sometimes, so here is the solution for you. Keep on watching the video. But before starting this video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. What is cracked lips? Cracked lips is a symptom in which our lips are dry, peeling, and chapped. Breaks may appear on the surface of these lips and our lips become very painful and even may bleed. What causes cracked lips? In most cases, cracked lips are not caused by serious conditions. Some common causes of cracked lips are, it can be environmental conditions like cold weather, dry weather, indoor heating, sun damages, and wind exposure. It can be dehydration, malnutrition, vitamin deficiency, and licking your lips repeatedly like this. And it can be some common cold and cold sores and even allergic reaction of any lip products. So winter season is cold and dry. That's why our lip getting dehydrated and dried and maybe cracked, and it can be bleed sometime. So we have to take care of our lips properly. You can take care of your lips with some healthy habits such as, if you notice dryness, dead skin, dry patches, even discoloration on your lips, then scrub your lips with this homemade beneficial scrubber. You only need brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, then add white sugar, 1 spoon. Half a spoon of olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, then you can add coconut oil as well, and 1 spoon honey. Mix this together and your scrubber is ready to use. In a container you can store in a refrigerator for 15 days. Take a small amount of the scrubber on your fingertips and gently scrub your lips. Don't rub your lips roughly, do it gently. This scrubber removes all the dirt and the dead skin from lips. It can heal the cracked lips and help repair daily UV damages. Leave your lips very soft and glowy. Don't scrub your lips if you feel your lips are already cracked. Otherwise, it can be cause of your lip bleeding. Scrub for 2 minutes and then wash it with water. Apply vitamin E oil. It's quite affordable and you can get from any chemist shop. You can simply make a hole or cut one open and apply the product right to your lips. Vitamin E boosts circulation and may help generate new skin cells, making your lips softer. If your lips already cracked, then try this one. Take half a spoon of yogurt or curd. Add few drops of lemon juice, then mix it properly and apply on your lips. Leave it for 5 minutes on your lips. Take a cotton pad and wipe it out. Wash your lips and apply a good lip balm or vitamin E oil. One thing you can do regularly to remove all the dead skin from your lips, dip a cotton towel into lukewarm water and gently rub your lips with this wet towel. Then moisturize your lips with a good lip balm or vitamin E oil. Apply lip balm regularly. Use sunscreen on your lips when you are spending a lot of time outdoors. Always keep a good lip balm in your bag. Whenever you feel that your lips getting dry, then apply the lip balm, okay? Always purchase a good lip product, otherwise it can be harmful to your lips, so buy a good one. And one common mistake we do regularly on daily basis like this. Licking our lips. That is big no. Don't do that. It can be cause of your cracked lips. And one thing you have to do regularly, drink lot of water that our lip can be hydrated. You can even make your own lip balm at your home. Take a small container, add 1 spoon of petroleum jelly into this, add vitamin E oil from 1 capsule, mix this properly and your lip balm is ready. Apply a lip balm before going to bed to get a soft and glowy lip at morning. So yeah, that was the video about lip care in winter season. I hope you find this video helpful. Then please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. And let me know in comment below that how many times you do this licking thing in winter. Don't do that, okay? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and always smile. Take care. Bye-bye. Love you guys. Bye.